Welcome back, students. So this is number 4 and 5, the solution to number 4 and 5. Now, in this question, we are asked to solve the inequality. So the inequality, we have 2x plus 3 greater than 5x plus 8. So what you do is that you collect like terms. So you are going to have 2x minus 5x greater than, we have going to be 8 minus 3. So 2x minus 5x is minus 3x, okay? Then greater than 8 minus 3 is 5. So what you do, you're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 3. So this is over minus 3. Now, one good thing with this is that by the time you do this division by the time you divide both sides using negative, this particular sign will change to the opposite. So therefore, we are going to have x, then this is going to be like this. So it's going to be minus 5 over what, 3, which says that x is actually less than, if I change it to mixed fraction, this is minus 1 whole number 2 over 3. Okay, so that is my answer. Now, if you check, minus 1 whole number 2 over 3, that is what is less than. So you have to be very careful, okay? So that is C. So my answer is C. Good. So let's move to the next question. So moving to number 5, we have that A, okay, we have A asterisk B is equals to A plus B all over AB, then plus A minus B. Now we are asked to find 3 asterisk 2. Now, this is it. By position, your A is taking the place, your 3 is taking the place for A, and your 2 is taking the place for B. So therefore, 3 asterisk 2 will now be equals to 3 plus 2 all over 3 into 2, then plus we have 3 minus 2. So this will now be equals to 5 over 6, then plus 3 minus 2 is 1. So if you do this, the LCM is 6, and this is going to be 5, then plus 6, which is going to be 11 by 6. And 11 by 6 is, okay, we even have it there already because it wasn't changed to mixed fraction. But if you want to change it to mixed fraction, it's still the same thing as saying one whole number 5 over 6. But since it is left as 11 over 6, we come and take our answer as 11 over 6. So that is how to actually work this. So we move to the next 2 questions. Thank you.